Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Lovable to make.com. First, open the Lovable website in your browser and make sure your project is already created and available in your dashboard. Now, from the left side, click on your project name to open it. Once the project loads, click on the edit option from the top right corner so you can access your project workspace. Next, click on the code icon at the top. This will show all the files included in your project. Select any file to view its content. Then, click on the copy icon to copy the file content if you need it for reference or integration. After that, click on the code icon again and select the GitHub icon from the top right corner. This step is important because connecting to external tools like make.com usually requires your project to be linked through GitHub. Now, click on Connect GitHub. Then select Connect Project to begin linking your Lovable project with your GitHub account. Next, click on Add Organizations. Enter your GitHub username or email address, then type your password to sign in. Once you are logged in, go back and enable the toggle next to your GitHub organization name so Lovable gets access to your repositories. After connecting, your project will be synced to GitHub. Now, open a new tab and go to the make.com website, then sign in to your account. Once inside make.com, create a new scenario and choose GitHub or webhook as a trigger, depending on your use case. Then, connect your GitHub account and select the repository where your Lovable project is stored. This allows make.com to interact with your project files or trigger actions automatically. Finally, configure your automation by adding the actions you need. Then, run or schedule the scenario. Now, your Lovable project is successfully connected to make.com and ready for automation. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.